Hey guys, for 2 minutes I would like to share my new haul from Dossier. If you have not heard about Dossier, I encourage you to check this company out. If you like perfume, colognes like me that are very expensive and you want to find an alternative to save money without sacrificing that quality and a good smell, Dossier might have your fragrance. I found more of my favorite fragrances that I have been dying to get, like Jo Malone's English Pear and Freesia, Nectarine Blossom and Honey, and the very famous Baccarat Rouge 540. This company makes these iconic scents with no markups. It is just simply amazing. Dossier has good return policy, so you can shop with confidence. They send you a sample spray along with your chosen fragrance to test and enjoy before opening the bottle. This allows you to return the fragrance if you're not in love with the quality of your scents. It means every order is 100% risk-free. This is Ambery Saffron. It is inspired by the famous Maison Francis Kurkdjian, Baccarat Rouge 540. It is a current bestseller. Baccarat Rouge 540 retails for $300. Dossier made Ambery Saffron for $49. And I can tell you guys, it is a spot-on dupe.
First, I'm going to use Wishful Thirst Trap Juice. Next is Water Jelly Hydrating Primer from Huda Beauty. I have a grayness area here around my mouth. I like color correcting with Makeup Forever Step 1 Primer. This one is the orange one, which is the grayness reducer. How I use this is I just get a little bit, maybe a pea size, until it's not moving anymore. Now the product is not moving, it's ready. For my foundation, I'm going to use the Faux Filters Skin Finish Foundation from Huda Beauty. This one is Shortcake 315B. So for the longest time, I've been using G, which is Golden from Huda Beauty Foundation. I noticed that it was too yellow for my skin. I made an experiment and tried the Beige, which is a B. My undertone is actually B and not G. I like the color of Golden foundation, but it doesn't match my body. I discovered this new brush from Morphe. This is the E63. I love it. It is pretty good. It reminds me of the Pat McGrath expensive foundation brush. If you can't afford it like me, I don't have it because I can't afford it. This is a good dupe. Rare Beauty has one too. Rare Beauty is not that expensive, but this one is cheaper. This one and my new sponge came in a bundle, which is $18. I got that from Ulta. I thought it was a good buy. I'll link it down below. Next, I'm going to use the Tan Tour Contour and Bronzer Cream from Huda Beauty. This one is in light. I have it in tan. That one didn't blend so much. I found some reviews that are raving about it. Thought that maybe mine is just a bad batch. So I ordered light. And this one is very different. The formula is so different and blends so well. It's so good. Since I got this one, this is all I use for contour. My jaw is too high. I don't have that jaw line here, so I contour right here to make it like a square, just a little bit of a shape. I'm gonna contour my nose with this brush. It's from Real Techniques. For my brows, I'm going to use the Bomb Brow Micro Shading Brow Pencil from Huda Beauty. I like this. It is very thin, really tiny. It's like needle-like point. I'm gonna use the mirror. This is the packaging. Cute. For my concealer, I'm going to use the Overachiever Concealer from Huda Beauty. This is an absolutely perfection concealer. If you're looking for a very high coverage concealer that is not thick and oily, this one is really good. It's very thin and it sets in place the whole day. So I like putting it here. I'm not gonna cover my freckles a lot today. To set everything, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. This one is in Banana Bread. I also have Blondie, and this is the difference. Banana Bread is lighter than Blondie. I could use Blondie around my face, and then I can use Banana Bread under my eyes for brightening. Beauty Blender Puff. For all over my face, I'm going to use a Blondie. To prep my eyes, I'm going to use MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. Alright guys, we're ready for the palette. So for today's palette, I'm going to use Brown Obsessions. This one is the Caramel Brown Obsessions from Huda Beauty. This is the super cute packaging. I love this turquoise packaging. When I open it, it looks like this. Comparing it to the chocolate one. For my first brush, I'm going to use the Morphe M330. Let's go with the lightest shade. I'm going to put this right here near my eyebrows. Follow the arch. This is peach. I thought it was gonna be like a little bit of yellow. Alright, next with the same brush, I'm going to use this color right here. And put that just underneath the first shade. No price. Oh, no. No price. Oh, no. No need. Oh, no. You're free. These mats are blending beautifully. I have no problems blending these mats. Price. Oh, no. No need. Oh, no. Alright, and then with the same brush, I'm going to go this matte shade right here. This dark shade is not matte, so this is the darkest matte. I'm going in that one and put that right on my lid, right here, all over my lid. So there's like a gradient effect. Like so. M321, it's a pencil brush. I'm going to get the darkest matte here again and drag this under my eyes, near my eyelashes. I'm gonna get the medium shade here again. I'm gonna put this under my eyes to blend the dark shade. I'm going to use the metallic brown right here, and I'm gonna use this to put like a smoky effect here. For my eyeliner, I'm going to use Makeup by Mario, the Perfect Brown. This one is the Master Pigment Pro Pencil. I'm going to tightline. Use the brush. For my inner corner, I'm going to use this shade right here. It's the Marble shade. It's the lightest. I think it's a topper. I'm not sure. But it's creamy. It's super creamy. Okay, it's a cream shadow. If you guys can see that. Finger is the best for this one. Yeah, it is a topper. You can build it. Which is so pretty. For my mascara, I'm going to use the Legit Lash Mascara. It is double-sided. I like the volume together with curl and length, but if I like it just natural look, I would just go with curl and length. I'm gonna go with the volume side first. Curl and length. also gonna run my underlash. Look at the difference. I'm gonna comb it with the lash comb. For my blush, I'm going to use this highlighter right here. This is the Pink Sands edition. I'm going to use this one right here. And I like highlighting my cheeks. Bring some on my nose. For my bronzer and a little bit of cheek color, I'm going to use the Jaclyn Cosmetics Stay Rosy Yummy Toffee. The packaging is amazing. I am very impressed. So I'm gonna get the bronzer, put a little bit on my cheek. Oh, that's a lot. My forehead. And then I'm gonna drag a little bit of color right here. Just a little bit. I'm going to spray. I can hear my kids and my husband at the backyard. They're setting up a badminton net. We are a sporty kind of family. We like hanging out in the backyard, playing soccer, basketball, badminton. Now it's the time to just spend time outside before it gets winter again. I think I was traumatized by winter, by New York winter. All right, so I know a lot of you are waiting for this. I got the new Huda Beauty Lip Contour 2.0. I got 5 of them. I only got the lightest shades because they're not cheap. I got this, I bought it. So I'm sorry if you don't have the shades that you're looking for. I only have 5. For the lipsticks, I only got 8. It's so cool that in the packaging, it actually tells you if it's a lipstick for light skin tone, medium skin tone, and deep skin tone. You can see it online too, which lipstick goes with the perfect lip liner. I'm going to use Sandy Beige. Oh, this is a very pretty nude. By the way, it's retractable and you can also sharpen the tip of it so it's sharp all the time. So there's a sharpener on its butt like this one. Okay, right off the bat, this lip liner is very creamy. It's super creamy compared to the OG lip contour from Huda Beauty. Okay, I want to partner this with something peachy. What I'm gonna show you guys is Rajah. It's very creamy. Super creamy. So this is the combination Sandy Beige and Rajah. I love it. I'm so excited. It's very moisturizing. I think I can feel it now that my lips super moisturizing, super comfortable. It's like wearing a gloss without being sticky. I love it. Wow, okay. All right guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. I am digging this Huda Beauty Brown Obsessions, and I also love the Lip Liner 2.0 and the new Power Bullet Cream Lipsticks. It's gonna be a new favorite. For this palette, I love the matte so much. I haven't tried some of the shades, but there is a new formula, which is a creamy formula here. It's definitely textured. It's like the mochi kind of eyeshadow. I don't see browns here though. It's more orange, so I don't think this is like a brown obsession for me, but it is very beautiful. I love the shades. The mattes blended so well. Metallics are very adventurous, like this flame shade right here. It's very metallic. Wow. Alright guys, so this is it for my video. I hope you guys love it. Thank you so much for being with me. Don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!